Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you the chocolate which is available on the beer festival. So this is very nice chocolate, but these strong drinks is much more interesting. So vodka and gin with a lot of different flavors. But let's see on the chocolate. So first of all, it's a small frogs. So this is kind of Harry Potter style. A lot of big chocolate which you can paint, so you can not only eat but paint as well, which is very good entertainment for kids. See all different colors, and you can make nice Darth Vader, make its funny color like a clown and eat it. Some big bars, and this is most interesting chocolate bars with different flavors. Start from just standard sweet bars, some Eton mess with berries and other spices. Oreo bar is quite standard. Red berries, it's interesting, and Rocky Road, it's like Maltesers, cranberry, hazelnut, salted caramel, cherry and almond, everything. Dark chocolate and toffee. So, and most interesting, it's of course dark chocolate with chili and orange and ginger. This is probably my favorite, but I will not mix it with beer, otherwise the head will be very heavy tomorrow. So don't mix beer and chocolate. No, you can mix with stout, and porter's chocolate works very well, but this is a different story. That's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and visit this beer festival. It's very nice. Thank you. Bye.